NMAX Underseat Organizer. Matagal-tagal ko na ring na-receive ito. Galing nga pala sa DC Motobags. May dalawang main pockets, dalawang stretchable slots, spark plug pocket, card holder, accessories slot. Tara, samahan nyo kaming mag-deliver ng Mubarak Fresh Food sa aming mga customer. Same day delivery within Metro Manila. Mode of payment, cash on delivery and online payment. At kung outside Metro Manila like Province, Pampanga, Ilocos, Bulacan, Quezon Province at iba pa, nag-ship po kami via bus terminal. Pick up lamang po sa pinakamalapit na bus station. Ito ang mga available nating products. Beef longganisa, chicken longganisa, beef tapa, chicken kagigan, beef siomai, chicken siomai, beef kebab, chicken tocino, whole chicken, breast fillet, leg quarter, wings, ground chicken, beef cubes, beef shank, beef soup bones, beef boneless shank, ground beef, at marami pang iba na makakasigurado kayong 100% halal ito.